Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from heights and quadrilaterals of ninth class. The question is: find the measure of all angles of a parallelogram if one angle is 24 less than twice of the smallest angle. Okay. So first of all, let us see the properties of the quadrilateral. Two important properties which are useful for this problem. One is opposite angles are equal. Equal. And the second property, what is the second property we have to use here is sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. If you take a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram A, B, C and D. You don't take this. So from the first one, what we can say, A equals to C, B equals to D, right? From 1, what we can say, angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D. And from 2, what we can say, angle A plus angle B equals to angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. In the same way, angle B plus angle C equals to angle D plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So so from these we have to, from using these we have to solve this problem. We can solve the problem. So let angle D equals to x, then what will be the here measure of all angles of a parallelogram if one angle is 24 less than twice of the smallest angle. Okay, so I'm taking as a bigger angle A. This what you will get, 2x minus 24 will give the highest angle. Okay, so by this, from second point, what we can say, these two, and if you add these two you will get 180 degree. So angle A plus angle D equal to 2x minus 24 plus x is equals to 180 degree. So 2x plus x is 3x minus 24 equals to 180 degree. 3x is equals to 180 degree minus 24 degree. 3x is equals to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 2 5, 1, right? Sorry, here it is minus, it comes that side, it becomes plus, right? So what you will get, 4, 8 plus 2 10, 204. So x equals to 204 by 3. In 204, 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 8 are 24. Therefore, angle D equals to how much? 68 degree. So, angle A, what you will get? 2x minus 24, which is equals to 2 into 68 minus 24 equals to 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 130, 13. So 136 minus 24 equals to 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1 1. So angle A equals to 112. Now B and C let us find. What is B? How you can find angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 112 degree plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle B equals to 180 minus 112, which is equals to 10 minus 2 8, 7 minus 1 6, 68. Why we got opposite angles are equal? Therefore, angle A equals to angle C, which is equals to 112 degree. In the same way, angle D equals to angle B equals to 68 degree. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.